Here's the app called PIKA AI Video, AI powered video maker. So here is the app which you can use. Squish, melt, inflate, crush, and more. Swap your look in seconds, get weird with it, break the rules of reality. So this is the app to create AI short AI videos with all these trending meme filters from TikTok, PIKA memes, PIKA additions, PIKA effects. So let's try to create an account, why not? So just to show you how it looks like, how it works, what this app is about. And then you can see PIKA effects, everything bonsai, for example. If I want to try it, I can just upload. So then, as you can see, to generate it, it requires 20 coins. I don't know where I get those. All right, so seems they're giving some coins in here for free, which is quite good. So let's check it out. So here is the account. You can always invite friends in here, so feel free to do that, but there is no invitation codes or some promo codes for that. Yeah, and then you're getting 80 coins for a start for a balance, which gives you like 4 generations. So then you have preferences, then you have profile settings. You can delete your account always in the bottom. Then you have home. Then you have discover. This is all the profiles which users generated. Then you have your profile. Yeah, even with the free one, it's taking some time, so it's in the queue. You can always upgrade again, like standard, $16 per month, $9 per week, or pro you can upgrade to yearly $200 per year, monthly $20 per month. And then here you just have profile. So let's try it out. That's kind of the idea, what you can see. And then you can just go and share it. Retry generation. Remember, when you retry generation, it still will charge you coins. But anyhow, that's what it is. That's what you have. So that's the app. I wouldn't say this is like the best app. Like, as you can see, I recommend in this category, if you like these short videos, Hula AI is quite good. So Hula AI app is actually quite good. So anyhow, try it out.